So once again, welcome back on this YouTube channel. So today in this video, we are going to talk about the Microsoft PowerToys Utilities. So this tool will help us to tune the Windows 11 PC for higher productivity as well as a quick customizations like other features like a color customization, color picker option. Then we have a PowerToy AWAC option to adjust the screen on settings for indefinite time. Then we have a Fancy Zone. Then we have a File Explorer add-ons, Quick Image Resizer, Quick Manager, and many more other features. So this tool is available for the supported processors like x64, x36, and ARM processors. So let's start with installation from the Microsoft Store. And one more thing is that the new build of the Microsoft has been released now, and it is available to download from the Microsoft website. The Windows 11 inside the preview build 22463.1000 is available to download and install in the PC, and this build will provide a lot of fixes, improvements, and this build is like a patch. So this build will provide a lot of fixes for the taskbar, for the start menu, start with the installation process. And first of all, we need to open the Microsoft Store, and then we need to find the PowerToys. So just tap over here in a search bar. Okay, now we need to install, and now we need to launch the application. So just click on the start button and then click on the all apps and then scroll down, and here we can see this is the PowerToys. So let's launch the application. So this is the current UI application, and here we can see that we have a lot of options and the customization and the tools available. This is the administrator mode option over here. Okay, so the application will always run as an administrator. In case you don't require, you can turn off from here or let it be tuned on. And then we have a color option like a choose more like a color option like a dark mode or the light mode or the Windows default, and it will automatically start itself. That is already added here to start on a startup. Okay, so these are the basic details and the information. So this is the current version, and now we have many more other options. Like this is the AWAC tools. From here we can customize or we can program the monitor screen. Means monitor will remain active beside or apart from your current default setting. Like if you, there are three options over here. So in this is the inactive option, and this is the keep awake indefinitely. So in that means your system will automatically follow these settings and the monitor will stay on. That means the screen will remain on for indefinite time period. Okay, then we have a color picker option over here, and from here we can adjust the color like a color format. These are the color formats available and the color name also, and we can also edit the color settings. Okay, we can activate this Fancy Zone from here. Okay, more layout editor like for the different windows, so it will automatically adjust the layout. Okay, that means you can different windows in a quick way. Okay, then we have a file explorer add-ons. That means we can see the preview of the particular file. Okay, we can see the particular file or folder preview whenever we hover the mouse over that particular file in a file explorer option. Okay, so this is the good option. And then we have an image resizer in where we means once we activate this option, we can simply adjust the size of the images from the variety of ranges available, like a large option, phone option, medium, small. Like this is the picture, and I can adjust the size like a rotate right, rotate left. Okay, in case some more option, we have other option. Okay, the resize picture option, and this way we can adjust the size. Okay, then we have a keyboard manager. From here we can apply the different, we can map the shortcut keys from here for the different application. Like these are the key tool. From here we can map the keys. Okay, like this one or this one, and from our okay. Now we have a power rename option to rename the uh, application, the files in bulk also. Then we have a PowerToysRun option. From here we can launch many application from just one tool. Okay. Then we have a shortcut guide for all the shortcuts in a quick way. So this is the quick view of this PowerToys settings that is available in this current Windows 11 update from the Microsoft Play Store to download in your Windows 11 operating system. Okay. So friends, this is all about this video. Okay, if you like the video, please like the video, please share the video, and please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it.